What's up everyone, it's your girl Christina. Welcome to another video. So today, yes today, not tomorrow, today I'm going to show you guys how to make a easy pumpkin spice chocolate chip cookie. Boom, let's go. Okay guys, so you need 2 bowls, one for the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with the dry ingredients. Okay, so you need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay, 2.5. You need 1 teaspoon of baking soda. You need a teaspoon and a half of pumpkin pie spice. There we go. So I'm gonna eyeball it because I love this thing. This is good. So I'm just gonna eyeball it. That should be good. And then you need half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, I'm gonna eyeball it. Perfect. Now let's mix it all together carefully, of course. Boom. Oh! Now let's do the wet ingredients, okay? So you need half a cup of unsalted butter, room temperature, not cold, not... Yeah, that's it. Come on, girl. Boom. Can I do it? No flex, okay? Boom. Okay, you need 1 cup of white sugar. Mamma mia, I know, that's a lot. But, hey, you can use monk fruit if you're trying to be healthier, okay? There's options, okay? There's options, so just letting you know. Into the bowl. Okay, so let's mix this now, okay? Carefully. So once it starts looking like this, let's add the pumpkin puree. So I'm using 100% pumpkin puree, okay? Not 75%, not 50%. You need half a cup of this. I forgot to say that. So you need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, so now just mix it all together. We have the wet ingredient and the dry ingredient. Mix it now, carefully. So just do a little bit. See, I just added a little bit, okay? Don't dump it all in there, okay? Felicia, listen. So now just mix it. Boom, just like that. Mix it and then add more. Mix until it's done, okay? Until it's done. Okay, as you can see, it's all mixed up and beautiful, okay? The last ingredient, semi-sweet chocolate. I'm using half a cup. Hello, camera. Okay, thank you, my goodness. So, you can add less, you can add more. It's up to you. So mix this all together and then turn on the oven to 350 degrees, okay? 350 degrees. 350, thank you. Okay, so baking sheet. I thought I had parchment paper. I don't, so YOLO. We're gonna do it this way. No, you don't have to add any cooking spray. Boop, just like that. Add cooking spray in here, okay? So it's easier to take it out. You see that? Look how easy. Look how easy. You see? Told you. Okay, so we have 20 right here. I still have a lot left. So my cookies took 21 minutes to cook, guys, and the cookies are here. I sprinkled some cinnamon powder on top, and look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So I'm gonna try this one on because there's a lot of chocolate chip cookies. Look at that, girl. Let's go. This is fire. Fire. That's it. It is soft. Also, it's a little crunchy from the outside because it's a little golden brown. So you can see it's a little golden brown. Anyway, I'm telling you, make these today. It was super easy. It took me like, not much. Fire. And it's not too sugary either. So it's perfect. It's perfect. I love it. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.